Hello guys! Before mag-start ang ating video for today, I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga nagbumati po sa akin kahapon. Pwede pa po kayo bumati right now, belated na nga lang. But I truly appreciate po sa lahat po ng bumati sa akin. Sa mga nagpadala po ng GCash, maraming salamat po. Pag hindi pa po kayo nakapagpadala, maraming salamat po. Hintay ko pa rin po yan. 1 week po ako maghihintay para po sa GCash gift po ninyo. Virtual na po lahat ngayon eh. But just kidding. But anyway, again, thank you so much po sa lahat-lahat po ng bumati sa akin. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa pa. Kaya maraming salamat po, and thank you Lord for this 40 years of life na binigay niyo po sa akin. Thank you so much everyone, and hopefully you're going to watch all my videos na napopost ko. You can also follow my YouTube account as well, The Goodie Addy. Search nyo lang po yan. And so let's go back to the video now. Bye!
Alright team, let's go over today's agenda. But first, I heard it's someone's special day today. Woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Goodie Eddie! Sending our a lot of virtual gifts and cakes.
Virtual cupcake? Ang saya, parang tunay. Parang gutom na talaga ako.
Since it's your special day, Goodie Eddie, would you like to say a few words?
Ay, patay. Nagsasalita na ako sa isip ko, pero paano ko sabihin itong hindi ako nanginginig?
Your mic's still muted.
Sinadya ko talaga, boss, para hindi ko marinig. Anyway, I'm sorry I was muted. But thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Birthday speech. Birthday speech.
Wish? Wish ko, sana makatulog ako ng mahimbing kahit daming deadline. Sana mag-down ang internet ko. At sana may padala sa client na kahit Starbucks man lang, kahit i-gift Starbucks lang.
Alright, now that we got it covered, let's get back to work.
Balik trabaho agad. Walang cake. Walang libre sa company. Pati ba birthday ko, billable hours? Grabe naman. After an hour meeting, dati sa corporate world, may surprise party. Ngayon, surprise meeting na lang. Yung HR dati mag-abot ng cake sa akin. Pero ngayon, inaabot ng HR deadlines. May pa-burger si boss. Ngayon, nagde-deliver lang ng urgent task. Hi, corporate world. I took you for granted. Ngayon, magka-celebrate lang akong mag-isa. Kain tayo, guys. Happy birthday to me. Salamat sa work, Lord. Salamat sa regalo, boss. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to